Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing of Boxycharm's June Boxyluxe here. Now I think this box was about the same size as the premium box, so I don't know. I guess there's no big items this month, so I guess I just used a smaller box because it seems like it's quite a bit smaller than it usually is. So I'm just going to go ahead and start unboxing. I won't be doing a trying on part of the Boxyluxe stuff just because there's quite a bit of stuff. But if you're curious to see any reviews on anything, just let me know down in the comments. So mine came with like these paper packaging instead of the foam. Usually it comes with the foam, but this time it's just paper. Alright, and I did get a card, thankfully, because my boxes have not been coming with cards. But this card is pretty, like, wrinkled, but that's okay. Alright, so the theme is Oasis. I really do like the picture. And then, of course, the prices are on the back, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. Alright, and then there's some coupons here. One from, like, for Kylie Skins by Kylie Jenner, and then the other one is for Pure Release, and it is the BB cream. Oh, this isn't a coupon, this is just the ingredients. It shows the ingredients on the back, but this one is a coupon. So very nice. Alright, so first thing I'm seeing in here is by Kylie Jenner, and it is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Mask. And this retails for $24. And it does seem to be a pretty good size. Yeah, it's a pretty good size here. I do really like the packaging. I've never tried anything from Kylie Jenner, so I am excited to try out this cleanser. So, one skincare product so far. Next up is by Pure Release, and this is the BB cream. So it's just a Perfect Glow BB cream, and it's got SPF in it. But unfortunately, they sent me the wrong shade. They sent me medium, and I am not medium. I am very pale. So I think I could have made a light work, but I would preferred fair or light, but they sent me medium. So I'll probably end up just giving this away to a family member. I mean, I don't know. I'll wait and see. Maybe if I get a little tanner, I might be able to make it work, but I just don't think it will. It's going to make me look very tan, and I'm not tan, so I'm probably just going to go ahead and pass it on to a family member. But this one did retail for $35. Alright, and then next up, I'm just going down the list, by the way, just to make it easier on me. Alright, so next up is a mascara by Lily Lashes, and this is in the shade Black. Now, I've never tried one of their mascaras. I have tried their eyelashes, and they're pretty good. But here's the mascara. And then there is the wand. Alright, and this one retails for $24. So I'm excited to try that out. I've, like I said, never tried one of their mascaras, so it'll be nice to try it out. Alright, and then next up is by Tarte. It is the Tardis Pro eyeshadow palette. So there's the packaging. And of course, it looks just like the box. Did have like a plastic cover in it, which is good. I don't like palettes that don't like open up all the way. I mean, it's not a big thing. It's just, I prefer it when it opens up all the way. But that's no biggie. But here is the actual palette. It looks very nice. I'm probably not going to do any swatches just today just because, I don't know, maybe I'll do a look with it later on some other time. Maybe I'll do a video on it. But this retails for $49, that's pretty expensive for a palette, I think, but I know Tarte is one of the more pricier brands, so not really a big surprise there. Alright, so next product is one that I customize because I can't remember exactly how many products you get to customize in this box, but I know it's at least one. I think maybe two. I don't remember what my other pick was, but I do know this one was one of my picks. And this is by Smile Science. Yes, Smile Science, and it is 2 whitening pins. This retails for $80. So that's really expensive, but I am excited to try this out because I like to do whitening strips and things, so I was curious to see if these work. So here are the 2 pins. So I am pretty curious to see if these do work. And I think it is an interesting product to have in this subscription box. I don't mind it because I would consider this to be a beauty product. It's not makeup, but you know, it's beauty related. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this out. Alright, next up is by M. Greengrass, and it is a CBD head to toe cream. And this retails for $56. Which is so expensive considering it's like only 1 fluid ounce. I just think that's crazy, and it's just so overpriced probably. I don't know. I've never tried it. I'm not gonna say it's overpriced, but it just seems really expensive for how little you get. It does have a little pump on it here, and I think it says you can use this. It's supposed to be used, it can be used as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots. So I guess you could use it all over your body or just on your face. I will probably most likely just use it on the face, but you never know. I might use it on my hands or something. Alright, 2 more products and then I am done. Next up is by Malin and Goats. I'm not really sure if I said that right. Another skincare product here is the Recovery Treatment Oil. I think the packaging is like very plain. I don't really like the letters wrapping around the box. Whatever. Alright, and this, oh my gosh, this retails for $82. Good lord, that's expensive. And then here is the bottle. It's a very pretty bottle. Again, I don't really like, I like the color of the bottle, but I don't like how they wrote. They're like, I don't know, it just looks like a bunch of words. I would prefer something like flowers or something on a bottle, not just, I don't know. I'm just complaining. But I mean, just like for how much this costs, I would expect it to look a lot nicer and not so plain. Like again, the bottle is really pretty, the color of it, but I don't know. I've not tried it yet, so it could be an amazing product and maybe it is worth the price, but that just seems so expensive for something I would never spend that much money. But that's just my personal opinion. So I'm guessing this is just another moisturizer. I really don't like it when they send it like 2 of the same things, like not duplicates of the same product. It's just there's 2 moisturizers here. I would prefer maybe they throw in like a toner or something else. I mean, we did get a cleanser, so I don't know. I don't know. I just feel like we get a ton of moisturizers, which is nice, but I just don't know why they have to put so many in one box. But that's just me being a little bit picky. Alright, then last but not least is by Bodyography, and this is 2 lip pencils. It's a pack. And this retails for $28, which I think is really pricey for 2 lip pencils, to be completely honest, but that's just my personal preference, or that's just my personal opinion. I have gotten stuff from Bodyography before, and I'm not a big fan of them, honestly. I don't really like their products. I've gotten several, I think I've gotten a couple of eyeliners and things from them before, and I don't know. They're wooden pencils, which I'm not a big fan of wooden pencils. Although most of the time they feel creamy. It's just, I don't know. With wooden pencils, I always feel like it can get pretty scratchy or rough. But these are very pretty colors here. The shade is Rosewood and Pouty. Alright, I swatched them. So the darker one is Rosewood and the light one is Pouty. I mean, they feel nice. I'll give it a shot. It's just, from past experiences, I've never been really blown away by their products, but who knows, maybe this will change my mind. Alright, so that was everything in my box, so now I'm going to tally everything up and tell you guys what the overall value of this box is. Alright, so the overall value for my box is $378, which is still pretty good considering I only paid $50, although I will say that I feel like some of these products, the prices seem very not realistic. I mean, for these two whitening pins here, $80 just seems like a lot, considering I can get whitening strips on Amazon for like $15 or something, and they work great. So I don't know, I'm not saying that these won't work or anything. I just, you know, these pins aren't that big, and you only get 2 of them. I don't know, maybe they're amazing. I haven't tried them, so I can't really say, but that just seems like really expensive to me personally for 2 whitening pins. Also, I know skincare is expensive, but $56 for this little bottle is it's just crazy to me. And then also the oil, which is $82. I almost said dollars. No, $82 is it's just crazy. I don't know. I don't know what goes into making these products, so maybe that's justified, but it just seems like adding stuff like this is just a way to get the box value up and to make it seem like, oh my gosh, I'm getting such a great deal. But sometimes I kind of wonder. Alrighty guys, that's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you click off of this video. I really do appreciate it. But let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of all the products. Do you guys think it's worth it? And also if you got Boxyluxe too as well. I would love to know what your thoughts are on the products that you got. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. I know it's kind of different to see me post twice a week, but I just had kind of accumulation of boxes piling up on me, so I wanted to make sure to get them done during this month so that I don't get behind. So I may start trying to post twice a week. We'll see how it goes. It's not a definite for sure thing that I'm going to be doing, but I'm going to try to do that. But yeah, I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!